Maupay nga kulop sa iyong tanan. Adi kita bungtuan ni Porlos Bisperas patron. Adi na kita sa kanira population proper. Uy, kalapi oh. Kaupay.
Albert Manugo at children, 1-star event plays Tacloban, Mr. Mark Lanzini Alphonse, Mrs. Sultan Religo at son Sander Religo, Catherine Obias and daughter Isang Pati Obias, Remedios Obias Manalastas and family, Josephine Amigati Padua and family, Manikapag sa amin at Gladys sa ayon and family, Mr. Beth na magpapawala ang Rizky Salara, Mr. Honorable Rizabo and family, Honorable Olivia Mungara, Wiluna Familiar and daughters, Honorable Jesse and Daisy Ramirez and family, Nelly Deniso, Luz Abuyin, Mrs. Corazon Salas Morby, Mr. and Mrs. Roger Manikali and children, Mr. and Mrs. Michael Ibertia and son. Kapuliwatan ang bigay ng Misa Center and special intention ng pamilya ng ating German Mayoria ng tubig in Madam P. Palier Lognas. For station at Abaco, Suran, and Garam family. Mrs. Lloyd Garam Abu and family. Mrs. Melissa Garam and family. Mr. and Mrs. Gary Garam and daughter. Stephen Bahinas Yambao and children. Mr. and Mrs. Joseph Barbosa and children. Honorable Manny Filipo and family. Also,
So ayan. Adi kita sa bungtuhan ni Purlos. Lugad pa sa kanta. Damuan maghusay. Ayan. O ayan, no. Damuan kataragan maghusay. Basa kanta. Abungtuhan ni Purlos imuhiki kit an ado. Adi na kita. Adi kita sa Purlos Public Market.